Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry food fusion. To begin, identify the foundational flavors of your preferred curry, whether it's a rich Indian butter chicken or a vibrant Thai green curry. Next, consider ingredients from a different culinary tradition that could enhance or contrast these flavors. Think about how textures and aromas will combine to create a truly unique and delicious meal. This approach allows for endless creative possibilities in your kitchen. When creating fusion dishes, smart flavor pairing is key. For instance, a creamy coconut curry can be beautifully balanced with the tang of lime or a hint of tamarind. Introducing umami-rich ingredients like mushrooms or soy sauce can add a profound depth to your curry base. Don't shy away from exploring aromatic herbs such as cilantro from Mexican cuisine or basil from Italian dishes to elevate the overall profile. Aim for a delightful interplay of tastes. Beyond flavor, texture plays a crucial role in successful food fusion. Imagine adding the satisfying crunch of toasted cashews to a smooth, velvety curry or the tender bite of slow-roasted sweet potatoes. You can also integrate different cooking techniques, perhaps a quick stir-fry of vegetables to accompany a slow-cooked curry, or even grilling some protein before adding it to your sauce. These contrasts create a more engaging and enjoyable eating experience for everyone. Finally, get creative with ingredient swaps to truly fuse cuisines. Instead of chicken, try duck or even tofu prepared in a unique way. Swap out white rice for quinoa or couscous to introduce new textures and nutritional profiles. Experiment with different liquids in your curry base, like almond milk for a nutty undertone, or even a splash of sake for an Asian twist. These thoughtful substitutions can transform a familiar curry into an exciting, innovative dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.